Greetings. The story begins when Amy meets the bird. The bird is not actually a bird. The bird is a pterosaur, but Amy refers to the bird as the bird. That is how the bird comes to be known as the bird. When Amy meets the bird, that is when Amy realizes that there is real magic in the world, that the world is stranger, more mysterious, more interesting than she had previously believed. The bird is the first mentor that Amy has in the story. But can the bird be trusted? That is the question. The bird is keeping many secrets. The origin of the bird and the intentions of the bird are things that the bird is very secretive about, at least up to a point. The bird is ominous, but perhaps not as ominous as Amy herself. The two characters are both bringers of disaster, but I don't want to spoil the story, so I won't tell you too much. Amy and the bird are characters from a novel. The novel is called Goddess Verse. The Goddess Verse is a story about the goddess of the universe and the universe of goddesses. Amy is the main character. The bird plays an important role, but Amy is the main character. To learn more about Goddess Verse, you can watch the other videos on this channel. I plan to upload a lot more videos about the characters from Goddess Verse. If you want to read the story, you can purchase the book from Amazon.